Bonjour! So as you know, I'm a big fan of boutique hotels, hence the blog, the app, etc. And like last year, I published a post with my list of the new hotels that I'm the most excited about this year in 2022. There are in Europe, there are boutique hotels, so you don't have all the kind of major luxury chains, new announcements that you may see in other press articles. It's really my selection of individual, independent boutique hotels, less than 50 rooms, always pools, and hopefully you will enjoy them. Here's a selection from the blog post, and you can have a full list of about 27 of them by clicking on the link which will be in the description. Hope you enjoy. We start in France with Chateau de Thoul-sur-Mer in the south of France. This former holiday center will have 45 rooms and will open in May 2022. On the west coast of France, Chateau de Brindos in Anglet will have 29 rooms by the lake, as well as a spa and two pools, one indoor and one outdoor. On the Riviera, we've got the fabulous Maybourne Riviera, which has already opened, and it has 69 rooms with this fabulous view over the Mediterranean. Of course, a pool outside. And then moving inland, we go to Fleur de Loire in the Loire Valley. This will open in June 22, 44 rooms, and a restaurant hemmed by the 2 Michelin star chef, and there will be a pool and a Sisley spa. In Germany, Lanserhof, which is very well known for their wellness centers, is opening this new hotel in Sylt, which is also known as the Hamptons of Germany. There are 55 rooms, and the buildings are actually have Europe's largest thatched roof, so quite something. Obviously pool, indoor and outdoor, spa, and everything you need to be in better health. In Greece, here are 2 hotels, Kilada, which has been named after the local fishing village of Kilada, and will have a beach club and a signature golf course, and is scheduled to open in summer 2022. And then we have One&Only on the Kea island, which is only a short trip from Athens, but you will need a yacht or helicopter to get there. And there will be an indoor space and a wellness-focused spa. In Italy, Icaro in the Dolomites is actually a refurbished hotel, a hotel that already exists. Whereas in Lake Como, the owner of the Grand Hotel Tremezzo are going to open Villa Passalacqua by the lake with a pool as well. In Rome, Bulgari is opening a hotel in the heart of Campo Marzio, which is very close to the Spanish Steps. There will be a 60-feet long pool and a huge spa as well. But the main one talked about is Hotel La Palma in Capri, 50 rooms, a rooftop restaurant, a beach club, a new pool deck, should be quite special. And then we move to Umbria with Vocabolo Moscatelli. No website, but on their Instagram account they had a few videos. And as you can see, great attention to design and detail. It's a former monastery being renovated, 12 rooms, and it should open in spring. And then we conclude with Switzerland and the Six Senses in Crans-Montana, 47 rooms, 2 restaurants, and a massive spa. So this was a selection of the new hotels that will open this year, but if you want the full list of boutique hotels, make sure to check the blog post with, as you can see, lots more, and the link will be in the description below that video. I hope you enjoyed that and have a great holiday this year. Au revoir!